Mi Mix 4. First of all, let's start with the battery size. This Mi Mix 4 mobile comes with a 4500 milliamp hours of battery. What's the biggest thing about this battery is it supports a 120 watts of fast charge. Using this 120 watts of fast charger, you can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 15 minutes. And if you use wireless charge, because this mobile also supports wireless charge up to 50 watts. If you use the MA50 watt fast wireless charger, you can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 28 minutes also. So that's also a great thing in battery section. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this mobile also comes with a great camera system. It comes with a triple cameras at the back side, 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, 8 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera. And it also comes with a 108 megapixel camera with OIS. Yes, we can shoot up to 8K 24 fps with this mobile's back camera. That's the biggest thing about this camera. And this is also first mobile from Xiaomi, I think, which comes with the under display selfie camera, and that too it's a 20 megapixels of under display selfie camera. And for the processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 388 plus 5nm based 5G octa-core processor. When we're talking about the 5G is not a gimmick in this mobile. It comes with actual 9 bands of 5G. So when we talk about the variants, it does comes with a lot of variants in India. When we talk about the variants, it comes with a 8GB RAM 128GB base and 8GB RAM 256GB secondary and 12GB RAM 256 and also the 12GB RAM 512GB variants. 4 variants, UFS 3.1 storage capacities and LPDDR5 RAM types, so to give the best performance. Yes. And when we talk about the display, yeah, main thing, the display is this mobile comes with a bigger display, that is a 6.67 inches of regular Xiaomi mobile's display, but it's a 1 billion color supported 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus supported display, and it is a super AMOLED display. When we talk about the protection, this mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus at the front, back and aluminum frame at sides. And when we talk about the features, these are the best features of this mobile, not features. This mobile comes with Android version 11 out of the box with the MIUI 12.5, and for the fingerprint scanner, it comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack. Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi. It supports 2.5 GHz bands and 5 GHz bands, 2 bands. By the way, this mobile also comes with a 120 watts of fast charger, USB Type-C cable and earphones included in the box with this mobile with a TPU case, transparent case. So this is a plus point. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in 3 colors: ceramic black, ceramic white and grey colors in the India. And when we talk about the pricing, so yeah, this is the section we need. When we talk about the pricing, if you convert US dollars to Indian rupees, this mobile will cost around 57,500 rupees, almost 58,000 rupees including the customs, you know that. And yeah, can we buy this mobile, especially MIUI powered mobile, MIUI UI mobile, by spending 60,000 rupees when we have the mobiles like OnePlus 9 or other mobiles which can give a great user experience? But it comes with personal preference, friends. So if you want to see any mobiles and if you want to see more editing and if you want to see great content, just comment in the comment section down below which videos do you want to see and which videos do you like most. So I'm also thinking to change my video content, not theme content. Until now I'll be making videos about mobile phones only, so that's the reason my channel is not growing, I think. So I didn't worry about the growing. I just want to make a lot of people to know about the technology. So I thinking to make videos about smartwatches and monitors and also the laptops. So I'll be making more videos in these 3 topics: laptops, mobiles, smartwatches and other gadgets. So stay tuned to the videos by subscribing to the channel. So I'm promising you guys that every day at 7 AM in the morning I'll post one video, so be ready at that time.